My name is Brandon. I'm one of the founders of AMPD. The predominant form of batteries that are available today, especially for backup power, are lead batteries. And the biggest problem with lead batteries is they create a huge amount of waste that is toxic and it affects hundreds and thousands and possibly even millions of lives due to poor control of lead acid battery recycling. We are a manufacturer of lithium-ion battery systems for backup power. Now, the great thing with lithium-ion batteries is they have a lifetime which is 10 to 15 years, and that dramatically reduces the amount of waste that's being generated. We're very much in our infancy in terms of commercial sales. Even then, our impact has been significant because so far we've managed to remove 20,000 kilograms of lead battery waste from the ecosystem.